So now guys, we will make fresh basil panna cotta. So you can see 500 gram milk, 1 stick vanilla, 10 gram basil leaves and 70 gram sugar. Then we will hand blend it nicely, and after that guys we will strain it. So you can see I already used the new pot, and it's our old pot where we did the hand blend. So we will strain it because we want to strain all the leaves of that fresh basil. So you can see how I am straining this mixture which we did before with a hand blender, and that time we will use the spatula as well as. Then we will strain it nicely guys, right? All the flavor I will put in a new pot with the strain. So you can see now we will put this our strain mixture on the hot plate. When it will come one boil, then we will remove from the hot plate, right? So you can see already one boil has been come, so we will remove. And you can see guys, I already put in a pot, in a small bowl, ice water and 2.5 gelatin we will use. So you can see one by two I'm breaking this gelatin. So 2 I already put and half I need it, and you can see 2.5 already done. So we will leave this ice water for gelatin soft. After 4 minutes it will be ready guys, right? So you can see now this gelatin we will put our hot mixture which we boiled before. So it's time to shake nicely, then we will put inside the mold. So you can see nicely we need to put, and you can see our mold. We are using this mold for our a la carte order basil panna cotta, which is Italian famous dessert. So you can see our mold as well as guys. So all this stuff I am putting this mold, then after that I will put inside the freezer for freeze it, right? Then after freezer I will keep in the room temperature for half an hour, then it will be normal, right? So this is the way guys how to make a fresh basil panna cotta, and it's actual Italian way guys, right? So this is the way guys. I want to show you how to make a fresh basil panna cotta. And my mold already, sorry, my mold almost has been done to full until his mouth. So it's time to freeze it guys. So you can see all this, all the liquid item I already put inside the mouth. So now you can see only one is remaining. After that everything has been done, so we will freeze it until 2 hours. And after 2 hours we will keep in a room temperature. So thank you for watching my video. So you can see final